rim tui lampang thai atanga thing na atang pera rim tui lampang siam chuak tu kan nia ta chuanin chen ka tu rim tui na te ania
perfume dawr
dam lo na
kan kala an tihdan phung pangngai in an product chungchang lecture ten han le tuna po hian ai kupta nulain lecture min pe me kani
No expiration date, so it lasts forever without expire or evaporate.
oh hey hianin side effect nei lova visual me po nei lova now chen piang tin ka dar ko hianin nge harmful koi a koi zawng lo pani
No expire date because no chemicals were expired.
expert hello ni chu
It's a family business experienced for more than 300 years ago, but under the control of the government.
len sarkar en kol na nuaya kumza chuang zet chu ko kan no kal pui to ei zon na kong alia
Because they have to keep control the qualities and the prices. That's why we have the guarantee and certificate from Ministry of Health to export our products to different commercial companies.
le a quality a te a ret chungcha a te a kwa chat thaya berin ti kan tum mani sarkar in min en pui ve reng go
Because we make the raw materials of different medicines, cosmetics, so they import the raw materials, they make the product that you buy from the stores or the pharmacies, we make here those raw materials. Interesting.
ole mun chang te point raw material man